Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students and respected parents, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start lesson number 1 of Unit 4 of Iqra Applied Grammar Book 2. And the unit number 4 is past continuous tense, and in this unit we'll learn how to use past continuous tense in our sentences. So before doing that, we'll start the proceedings of this lesson with the segment 1 of unit 4, that is grammar in use. Sing aloud together. As you already know that in this segment we have a poem to recite. So first I'll recite the poem for you and then you'll recite after me. So let's start the recitation of the poem. I was dreaming of the ocean when the rain came down. I was walking to the circus when I met a funny clown. Now it's your turn. That's good. I was searching for my sock when I saw my shoe. I was looking for some treasure when I found you. That's good. Very well done. I just want you to look at the highlighted structure in this poem, and inshallah ta'ala will proceed further with this structure. So I just want you to look at the strip first, which is right above the learn grammar segment. And if you look at this strip, past continuous tense is used to tell what was going on during a time in the past. This tense is basically used to talk about the continuity of an action in the past when somebody talk about it. यानी ये माजी में एक चीज़ हो रही थी एंड समवन और somebody notice it and talk about it. ये किसी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम में, पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम में, पास में एक एक्शन कंटिन्यू था और समवन और somebody described it. इसके बारे में किसी ने बात की. इट्स जस्ट द सेम लाइक प्रेजेंट कॉन्टीन्यूस टेंस. ये प्रेजेंट कॉन्टीन्यूस टेंस की तरह ही है. प्रेजेंट कॉन्टीन्यूस टेंस इज बेसिकली यूज टू टॉक अबाउट द कंटिन्यूटी ऑफ एन एक्शन इन द प्रेजेंट. This tense is used for the continuity of an action in the past at some point of time. यानी मादी में किसी ख़ास वक्त में एक चीज़ हो रही थी. So inshallah ta'ala with the further drill things will become more clear. So let's start the drill segment with learn grammar part of this unit. So first I just want you to look at the table here for the drill, and then we'll back to the actual table of this book. If you look at this table, that we have two columns, and in each column we have the drill of positive, and in the second column we have a drill of the negative sentences. तो हम इनको side by side drill करेंगे, and inshallah ta'ala after this drill there will be no difficulty for you. I hope that you are very much aware of the use of was and were with the list of pronouns. हमें सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट में कोई इशू होना नहीं चाहिए. आपने क्लास 6 में पता होगा कि वेयर टू यूज़ वाज एंड वेयर टू यूज़ वर, ये एग्रीमेंट के बारे में. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द ड्रिल ऑफ दिस टेबल. सो विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट रो ऑफ द फर्स्ट कॉलम. आई वॉज ईटिंग पास्ता लास्ट नाइट. वी वर ईटिंग पास्ता लास्ट नाइट. यू वर ईटिंग पास्ता लास्ट नाइट. ही वॉज ईटिंग पास्ता लास्ट नाइट. शी वॉज ईटिंग पास्ता लास्ट नाइट. दे वर ईटिंग पास्ता लास्ट नाइट. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, एक चीज़ जो आपने देखनी है कि लास्ट नाइट इज़ बेसिकली द पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम इन द पास्ट. ये वो पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम है जिस वक्त दे वर ईटिंग, आई वॉज ईटिंग, वी वर ईटिंग, यू वर ईटिंग. सो एक्शन की जो कंटिन्यूटी है वो लास्ट नाइट को थी. इस पॉइंट को you will remember and you will focus while solving the remaining exercises of this unit. So let's start the negative sentence drill of this table. So we'll start from the first sentence. I was not eating pasta last night. We were not eating pasta last night. You were not eating pasta last night. He was not eating pasta last night. She was not eating pasta last night. They were not eating pasta last night. For the negative, as you already know that, we'll bring the not right after the auxiliary or helping verb. So first column and first row के हिस्से की drill के बाद now move on to the second row and the first column, and then the second row and the second column for positive and negative sentences drill. So let's start the drill again. I was reading a book at 9:30 a.m. We were reading a book at 9:30 a.m. You were reading a book at 9:30 a.m. He was reading a book at 9:30 a.m. She was reading a book at 9:30 a.m. They were reading a book at 9:30 a.m. And again, in this table, you can see that 9:30 a.m. is basically the point of time in the past, and was reading, were reading, I was reading, we were reading, ये continuity of an action था, and 9:30 a.m. is basically the point of time in which that action was happening. So move on to the second column for the negative sentences drill. I was not reading a book at 9:30 a.m. We were not reading a book at 9:30 a.m. You were not reading a book at 9:30 a.m. He was not reading a book at 9:30 a.m. She was not reading a book at 9:30 a.m. They were not reading a book at 9:30 a.m. Now it's your turn to drill it. You will pause the video, you will read that table, and after the drill of this table, we'll start the drill of the actual table in the book. Welcome back again. I hope that you have already done the drill of the sufficient drill of this table that was given to you by me. Now it's time to move on to the next table of this book, and the drill is very much obvious for you, and the table is very much clear. There will be no confusion for you. We have two segments. First segment we have I, he, she, and in the second segment we have we, you, they, and then we have the verbs that can agree, that can actually agree with I, he, she. We have was and was not, and for the remaining table we have we, you, they के साथ were and were not. हमारा पहले ही ड्रिल हो चुका है, इस सेगमेंट में भी आपको कन्फ्यूजन नहीं होनी चाहिए. सो फर्स्ट विल टेक आउट द सब्जेक्ट फर्स्ट पार्ट, देन विल टेक आउट द हेल्पिंग वर्ब, and then remaining part of the sentence, and we'll complete it with the drill. So let's start the drill of this table as well. I was crying loudly in the morning. He was crying loudly in the morning. She was crying loudly in the morning. Second sentence, I was running in the park yesterday. He was running in the park yesterday. She was running in the park yesterday. Third sentence, I was going to school at 7:30 a.m. He was going to school at 7:30 a.m. She was going to school at 7:30 a.m. Now it's time to do the drill of the negative sentences. I was not crying loudly in the morning. He was not crying loudly in the morning. She was not crying loudly in the morning. तो आप ऐसे ही रिमेनिंग सेंटेंसेस की भी ड्रिल करेंगे जैसे मैंने किया है. नाउ इट्स टाइम टू डू द ड्रिल ऑफ द सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ दिस टेबल. We'll take the subject first, then the auxiliary verb, and the remaining part of the sentence. So let's start the drill. We were working in the office yesterday evening. You were working in the office yesterday evening. They were working in the office yesterday evening. Second sentence, we were swimming in the pool at 5 p.m. You were swimming in the pool at 5 p.m. They were swimming in the pool at 5 p.m. आप ऐसे ही पॉजिटिव की ड्रिल रिमेनिंग करेंगे. नाउ इट्स टाइम टू डू द ड्रिल ऑफ द नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. वी वर नॉट वर्किंग इन द ऑफिस यस्टरडे इवनिंग. यू वर नॉट वर्किंग इन द ऑफिस यस्टरडे इवनिंग. दे वर नॉट वर्किंग इन द ऑफिस यस्टरडे इवनिंग. सेकेंड सेंटेंस की भी हम नेगेटिव के साथ ड्रिल करेंगे. वी वर नॉट स्विमिंग इन द पूल एट 5 p.m. You were not swimming in the pool at 5 p.m. They were not swimming in the pool at 5 p.m. अब ऐसे ही पूरे टेबल को ड्रिल करेंगे, and इंशाल्लाह ताला after the sufficient drill of this table there will be no difficulty for you, and it will be helpful for you for the remaining exercises of this unit. So you'll do the drill, and after that I'll give you the homework. So you have 5 minutes to do the drill, and then we'll give you the homework for today's lesson. So your homework for today is exercise A, look and write. In this exercise you have to complete the sentences. आपने sentences को complete करना है while using the structure of past continuous tense. आपने past continuous tense के structure को use करते हुए इन sentences को complete करना है. And verbs have already been provided to you. Verbs आपको पहले ही provide कर दिए गए हैं brackets में. आप देख रहे हैं fish, not to do, examine, not listen, play, not lift. जो verbs not के साथ है वो negative के structures में होंगे. और रिमेनिंग जो वर्ब्स हैं वो पॉजिटिव स्ट्रक्चर होगा पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस का। दीज पिक्चर्स आर आल्सो फॉर योर असिस्टेंस, ये पिक्चर्स आपकी असिस्टेंस के लिए दे दी गई हैं। I hope that there will be no difficulty for you regarding this exercise, and inshallah ta'ala tomorrow I'll come with the feedback of this exercise, and then we'll proceed further. It's time to say Allah Hafiz, Assalamu alaikum.